watch them blink. Watch them blink. What? Watch them blink. Hip hop, yeah.
And you do it like this.
Alright, well, welcome back to the White Trash Project. We got ourselves a 1989 Honda CRX here, getting ready to do some body work to the front left fender there. That's a brand new fiberglass fender, and we're just going to finish it off. We're going to put a coat of Bondo over it, sand it real smooth, starting with the 36 grit and using it, then an 80 grit and then a 220 wet. Alright, here you're going to want to make a extra batch of Bondo, fill in all the cracks and holes in the Bondo, smoothing out with 80 grit. There's a front bumper, getting ready to install that. Got to come up with some ideas for brackets. See what happens here. Alright, here we got a 2x2 piece of wood, and we put some brackets on each end and mounted it to the original mounts, and it seems to be working out pretty good. Alright, here we got the brackets mounted to the original mounts. Then I put some bolts going straight to the body with lock washers, and it's pretty strong. It's not going anywhere. Just set the bumper right on top, and you can screw it in. And it's a little bit high on the right there, but when we get those lower brackets put in, we'll be able to adjust that. Got some good alignment there with the fender. Alright, we got the lower brackets in. Seem to straighten that out. 2 bolts on each side. I use 2 sheet metal screws straight to the body. Alright, that's the end of episode 3. Stay tuned for episode 4 coming soon.